Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a peach cobbler for you with a brown sugar pecan topping. It's an easy recipe, pretty straightforward, as all of mine are pretty well, because I like to keep it simple, especially when it comes to baking. But I'll start out with my peaches here. I'll pour them out and then I look through them, make sure there's not any pits or anything. I'll cut them into bite-sized pieces because I like to have my peaches throughout the cobbler, so you get one about every good serving. And then for my batter, it's just a cup of milk, cup of sugar, cup of flour, a stick of butter, vanilla, and 1 egg. Once you got that mixed up, pour that over your peaches and you'll put it into a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Then for the pecans, it's your pecans, some brown sugar and butter. Get that melted up and mixed together. And after that 45 minutes, get it and sprinkle it over the top of the cobbler. Get it evenly spread over it. Then that goes back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes so you can get those pecans good and kind of candied. And once that's 15 minutes is up, wait so you don't burn your mouth off when you go to eat it. You can see it fire right there bubbling because it'll burn you. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Really good recipe, peach cobbler. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.